downtown Sarasota does not disappoint as a small city. So if you're a person that considers themselves an urbanite, looking to move to a smaller city, or if you're interested in learning more about downtown Sarasota in general, come with me on this tour as we will explore all the great things that downtown Sarasota has to offer. So let's get started. First, let's look at the downtown location in relation to Sarasota as a whole. Now, downtown is 4 miles from St. Armand Circle, 5 miles to Lido Beach, 7 miles to Siesta Key Beach, 9 miles to the University Town Center for shopping, and 13 miles to Lakewood Ranch. If you want a change of scenery, all major points of interest in Sarasota are very accessible from downtown within a short driving distance away. Every point of interest I will be discussing today is walkable from Main Street. Main Street and its neighboring streets are the heart and soul of downtown Sarasota. The area is quaint and offers boutique stores, cozy coffee shops, and galleries that showcase beautiful art pieces from a variety of talents. The area is buzzing with many choices of great restaurants, bars, and live bands to choose from. There are too many to list here, but noteworthy restaurants are Boca Restaurant on Lemon Avenue, offering a farm-to-table focus, Mediterraneo for contemporary Italian food on Main Street, and Owen's Fish Camp on Burns Court for fresh seafood. Plenty of live music and dancing venues can be found downtown, which includes the Gator Club. The Gator Club is set in a historical building which has survived a Main Street fire in 1915. People come here for live reggae and blues session in the main floor. Across the street from the Gator Club is Madison City Grill for those looking for outdoor dining, live concerts, and dancing all in one place. One of my favorite things to do in downtown Sarasota is dining right by the Sarasota Bay. For a great water view dining experience, locals and tourists alike will choose Marina Jack for the great vistas. The downstairs part offers a casual setting with live music nights. Downtown Sarasota is a visually stunning place with high rises, mid-rises, townhomes, single-story homes, and amazing vistas of the Sarasota Bay and Ringling Bridge. Now, two places that provide really nice views are the Westin and the Art Ovation roof decks. The Westin's 19th floor roof deck offers some of the highest 360-degree views. The Art Ovation is another great option. It's a great option, especially for those like me that don't like to be that high up. It is in a 6-story building, and the roof deck area has become a hip meeting spot for many, with the occasional DJ performances in the evenings. These are must-visit places to enjoy, especially during the sunset while grabbing a bite to eat and drinks from the bar. North and South Palm Avenue, which intersect Main Street, boasts many different art galleries for the art enthusiasts interested in paintings, photography, and sculptures. This is a great place to also go window shopping for art pieces. Which brings me to my next point, which is Sarasota is known for the cultural center on the West Coast. Many theater and art venues are located right in downtown Sarasota. The Van Wezel Performing Arts Hall, which is located by the Sarasota Bay, offers theater, music, comedy performances from artists really that come from all over the world. And then there's Florida Studio Theater in the heart of downtown, which has become a nationally known regional theater offering not only live performances, but also theater classes for adults and children. Now, for a more intimate setting in a much smaller venue, the Urbanite Theater will literally lift your spirits with what feels like such an immersive theater experience. The Art Center Sarasota was founded in 1926 and is the first art organization in Sarasota. It has 3 galleries with contemporary works. For opera fans, Sarasota Opera House is a renovated 1,100-seat theater, and it's also a premier opera company in the Florida Suncoast. Now, for those that love laughing, McCurdy's Comedy Club has made Sarasotans and visitors laugh for over 30 years. And in that spirit, Burns Court is a quaint neighborhood nestled in downtown Sarasota between Pineapple Avenue and Burns Court. It has that old Florida feel with a splash of artistic vibes and includes the Burns Court Movie Theater that showcases independent movies from all over the world. Now, what about nature though? For those looking to spend time in nature, there are 2 main parks to choose from. First, the Bayfront Park is right by Sarasota Bay and offers amazing views of the bay. the Ringling Bridge, the marina, and the city skyline. It is our waterfront green park with sculptures to admire, a playground for the kids, and a tiki bar right by the water. Now, locals come here to walk their dogs, to jog or bike on the paved trail that goes all around the park. You can also lay out blankets for a picnic or hang up a hammock and just relax. Second, Paint Park is a beautiful green, lush 29-acre public park used for recreational events. It used to be a baseball park, but now offers a dog-friendly walking path, playground, and 12 clay tennis courts. This is a nice downtown escape into nature for sure. There are also much smaller dog-friendly parks in the city, including Selby Five Points Park. There's so many places to run and walk around outside. We already talked about the parks. One additional place that people use as a running and walking grounds is the Ringling Bridge, which connects downtown Sarasota with Lido shores. Some of the most beautiful views can be seen from the bridge towards downtown and Sarasota Bay, making the trek over the bridge well worth it. Now, in Sarasota, we have a popular trail that runs from the southern side of Sarasota to Venice called the Legacy Trail. That trail is getting extended and will be coming into downtown Sarasota over the next few years. So let's talk about shopping. The shopping scene offers a nice selection from home decor, clothing, arts, gifts, and much, much more. And for those health-conscious shoppers, you'll be happy to hear this, that the Whole Foods store is up the street from Main Street, making this eco-friendly grocery store just a step away. An abundance of events are organized through the year in downtown Sarasota as well. For example, the Sarasota Farmers Market is every Saturday morning from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. and it's located between Main Street and Lemon Avenue and showcases over 70 vendors selling plants, foods, and local produce to the public. Now, for the art enthusiasts, every third Friday from October to May is the Art Walks in Towles Court, which lies on the outskirts of downtown. It features art, music, refreshments, and then the Sarasota Film Festival happens every year. And this year it will run virtually from April 30th to May 9th. It will host independent films from all over the world. Prior to the pandemic, it would bring over 100 filmmakers and actors to the Sarasota area. It was truly a must-experience event. Now, in walking distance from downtown is the Marie Selby Botanical Gardens. The property offers breathtaking views of Sarasota Bay and truly is kind of a tropical oasis, helping visitors connect with a variety of different plants. They also hold special events on the grounds all year round, including my favorite, which is the open-air holiday show in December called Lights in Bloom. So now let's talk about the Bay project because it will evolve the heartbeat of downtown Sarasota. The Bay is a project that looks to transform a 53-acre bayfront area. Very similar to what the updated pier has done for downtown St. Pete, the Bay Park will become a gathering ground where the entire community can come together. The project is in phase 1. There's so much more to come though, so stay tuned. As you probably noted, downtown Sarasota has so much to offer within a short walking distance, and that is the main value proposition for living in downtown Sarasota. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. If you've been to downtown Sarasota, what do you like about it? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.